Welcome to Dragon News at Donald H. Eichhorn Middle School. I am Zach and this is Emma reporting here in the studio.
Today's episode in our feature series, What's So Cool About Manufacturing, will highlight GAF, a local manufacturer of commercial and residential building products. Let's go live to our correspondents at GAF to learn more.
Thank you, Emma. Welcome, viewers. Thanks for joining us today to learn about the exciting projects here at GAF. As Emma stated, GAF is a manufacturing of commercial and residential building projects. I'm here with Miranda Ritter of GAF Human Resources to share a little bit about this.
We are a new manufacturing facility. We've been here around 2.5 years now. We currently produce, the majority are commercial grade roofing products, and then we also manufacture a ridge vent.
My job here at the plant is I'm the relief technician on A shift. I'm required to know all the job positions. I've actually been employed here for 1.5 years now.
My name is Michael Wiederquist. I'm the plant manager here at the GAF plant. I've been with this facility for about 1 year and with GAF for a little over 10 years. The coolest place that our TPO has been installed on across the GAF network is on the United Center in Chicago, where the Chicago Bulls play, and also the Arizona Cardinals Stadium.
All right, my name is Taylor Smith. I'm a process engineer. I've been working at GAF for 1.5 years. I brought a whole new process to the GAF injection molding facility here in New Columbia.
So this is our TPO process. There is a scrim layer that runs in down here on the end of the line through our core section. Then it runs through. The core is the bottom of the material. Then as it goes through these sets of rollers, it winds up getting turned around so that our cap material can actually go on top of that. This is our palletizer. What will happen is after the roll comes through the heat tunnel, it'll come down to this section, it'll stop, and it'll actually palletize our material for us. So we don't have to do it by hand.
Thanks, Jacob. Great job highlighting some exciting things going on at GAF. Tune in next time for What's So Cool About Manufacturing of another local plant.